Every once in a while, I come across someone who feels that they've done enough research, watched enough HGTV shows, and seen enough YouTube tutorials that they can now sell their own home. They want to save money, I get it, but let me explain some very straightforward reasons why it's never a good idea. Roll the music. Hi everyone, I'm Justin.Adams, a real estate agent serving the amazing people of the greater Orlando area. And today I'm excited to talk to you about reasons why you shouldn't try to sell your own home. We like DIY. With all the information at our fingertips in today's world, why not? What could go wrong? This may be a great idea for many projects, but not when it comes to your home. Here's why. Number one, agents know how to market the home. Agents deal with buyers every day, so they also know what's trending and what buyers want. A good real estate agent can stage, photograph, market, and describe your property based on these trends. Their marketing can attract potential buyers and will get people in the door. Number two, agents can list the home on the MLS. Realtors also have access to the MLS, which means that the home will get even more exposure. First, other agents who also have access to the MLS will see the home and inform their buyers. Secondly, popular sites like Zillow and Redfin, which get their content directly from the MLS, will expose the home to even more buyers. But none of that happens without being listed on the MLS first. Number three, most buyers will only buy using an agent. Listen, buyers don't pay commissions when they buy a home, so they have no vested interest in buying a home without an agent. This means that the buyer will have someone to protect their best interest, but you will not, even though you'll be paying their agent's commission. Number four, represented sellers make more money. It's a well-known fact that listed homes sell for more money and in less time. If you sell the home yourself, you may save a few bucks, but if you use an agent, you'll probably make more money on the sale overall, even after paying the agent's commission. So it is definitely worth it. Number five, a lot of people won't bother looking. Nationwide, only 8% of people attempt to sell their own home. And since it's not common, most buyers are naturally intimidated by it. The buyer might perceive the sale to be a liquidation, foreclosure, or some other serious flaw associated with the home. Perception is reality. If you want to sell your home for more, you want to make sure it's shown in the best light possible. If you're hesitant about signing with an agent, my advice, don't be. Just be honest. I always take the time to understand how my sellers are feeling, what they are afraid of, and their goals for getting the home sold. If you have any questions about anything I covered today, or if you're thinking about making a move, feel free to post a comment or message me directly with the links posted below. Also, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you hear. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next episode.